Hi everyone, I am Nabil Architect and I'm back with another amazing video. So in this video we are going to learn about how to create Google Sheet link. Uh, so we are here in Google Sheet and I will show you how to create Google Sheet link. Okay, first of all you go to file and go to share here. As you can see, share with others, click on share with others. When I click on share with others, name before sharing dialog box is open, and if you want to add some name, you add here, but this time I skip. When you skip, another dialog box is open, share untitled spreadsheet. Okay, so I simply create Google Sheet link. Okay, so I click here, copy link. Okay, link copied. Okay, if you want to share with the friend your Google Sheet, so link from copy from here and share to your friend. So that's it, the basic tutorial of how to create link in Google Sheet.